Good evening, brothers and sisters. My name is Reinhold Ndaikile, and today we are going to talk about self-control. Ikwato now. Ombibeli yobene oya kwanjagera ngetashi yake ikwato now. And the Bible has taught us quite a lot about self-control. And it even said we are not going to test heaven if we do not practice self-control. And in Galatians chapter 5, from verse 20 to 23, when Paul was giving us the fruits of the Spirit, self-control was part of it. Nitashiturukire kuche kwato na walino njudo mongara mwenyo yonukehe no lapumbiwa. Obamno venje papaturukara vene ngara mwenyo diriko lutenda do diriko njira onge ngonwe liko eni kwato nao. Eno self-control. Haduruku discipline, haduruku viula ye mweni. No vano venje nyote tatangara la shesho pafaike paife ovanu katuna no nakui wako choyatarela peni oshasho vanu katuni kwato nao. Oto hangonu nutodukala wakula unedura dihapu nenge uno title yakula moshiwana ndere ova minave kufimaneka shasho vene no ifimaneka ifimaneka halita making ngobe mwenye to self control to viula to kwata nao ova mnovenji nitu na uinimaya tangalala tulina ndokuli addicted kinimi hapu nashiki keshimoto mapoko etu ndele oshashi natu dako petameko kuja ikwato na ulino njudo yashiki. Today we are going to talk about self-control, and we have to understand self-control in very few contexts. We are going to make it very brief. The last time I checked the dictionary, the word self-control means ability to control one's self, especially emotions and feelings, particularly in difficult times, in difficult situations. That is the ability for one to control oneself, for you to control yourself, to control your emotions, to control your desires, to control your feelings. And today we are just going to talk about this in very brief. In 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 27, 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 27 says, "But I discipline my body and bring it into subjection, lest when I have preached to others, I myself should become disqualified." Paulo started, amen. Ohandi violent, ohandi deula memweni. Opo ndiha kakare konuinya ingu tau difire bakwetu ndamandika kan. Paulo stapopita tiye mwenote deula, ye mwenote kwatanawa. Otakenda baranga nitashidureka kwenda kwa kombada edi kwate nao ye mokutushangira ngaho de turombere wo kucha novo mokuikwata nao mu peturu sontivale no probability te kuja po very soon nano peturu so kwa itashangana iko biga ikwato nao tate me ikwato nao muje ididimiko muje tilo kalunga yini manjino yini mai no shilonga mongala mwenye yonuke kakuno mi napombo ikwato nao kashina kucha wobe unkerefiti nilobe kushi unkerefiti o ikwato nao oshima shinonjudo shosha pumbiwa mangala mwenye yonuke obamno benji nyote tulinena tafaike onuongaho oshashi 7 na pifimaneka watera je kufimanike ngobe mwenye nifimaneka shino pokale umeneja negonotetera moshiwana yashike minister and whatsoever any title you can mention them ndenge kunikwato nawa ninotulimo upyakati ini mweshona ndala kutumbula idibali enga ehandu ovano venji nyuwete fione na tuline ngalo te hangamo that we regret of forever. It is because of anger. And one thing that we have to take note of is that we never and you never need to act in anger. Doesn't matter its words, no deeds. We do not need to act in anger. Anger is one's emotion that destroys the whole of us. Inyu wetenena ove unopyaka dina mwanyo konenge nono milonga yenye mowe handulo. Shashi wa wanyengwa kuterele fimbo ndetu ipula manga kuchamuto mola shiko shimashita shiningiru. Satane sheteki mongala mwenye yo etwa nilalakana. Eku hongauli. Chino puto nengwa wafayo bano indaku yukatarenge nota duro oku kontrole handula okuete handula epondoto ilina. Ove wahanduko wa dengon fimbo motola no kulike ngono kucha amonti lumini no ite dogo kala ndifindika konkadonaka itashishiva tulime nango ndoko ya hala kufinda ngete I have just to do it and intending ngabane ngandin denge even in public a person who is not even your relative And these things oshinopo vamwe yetuhanga tulime dolongo, vamwe peke ihanga tuliko nima makumba, vamwe peke ihanga tatonda fana na bakwetu vaive ngala mwenyo, vaive no njudo, vaive no shilonga ngala mwenyo detu, vamwe peke ihanga katuno mbili ngala mwenyo morweke shashe handu, nde katushi kujana tushinige ngalibi. Oshi masho tete ndala ndi mulombelo choni no kucha, ove mweno to duru kuilombela kuchonda hala kwenda mangalo ya changalibi. Handuro enjuno to duru kulikontrol ove mweno. You can be able to control your anger. One thing that we need to know is you just need to accept you have bad anger. That's number one. We need to understand our mistake. Human beings, we have a problem of accepting our mistakes. Even when you know that it's taking you into danger, you just click on it, oshimweshi kanyate like inohala kuchef onda halandi kulombele kucha monomola tete mojuke huna kuningo na kuitavera kucho nepuko uli mepuko ngengo wa mono kucho uli mepuko oapumbo kutambula ko kucha oakala mepuko. Understand the word mistake. Epuko. You have been in this errors or mistakes for quite a long now. Ndai henjili konima ifia konima. Ina ikuntumbarela valiko mapepewe. Ngengo ifia konima, then you need to understand and you need to tell yourself, now I'm going to look forward and I'm going to change. Shashi komeho kakuna mweni ova ikuliko. Na otoduru kuilombela kucha from today on now. Ngengo mokwe andota handukifange. This is how I'm going to act. Aluke ilombela kucha ame hueponti kalevaya onutotukunge shidurife wa halandi kudenge ovutwalinge komango. Hueponti kalevaya onuweato tukunge kashina kuchome ilonga nengo keumbo nengo mo street wa hangangem ndonda landu ikiro vanu kucha I am able to ondi kufindi. Kandi nefimbo inatupumbwa no hotuka nefimbo lo kudenga onlomento dengo nkuluka dikeho meshi nare kucho umfindi. Ulikiro vanu kucha you are able to. Nde otashurike muyuni wonena otashurike onwena eikwatona wa self control ngengo taduru no kujapa nde tatina kuli peace be with you. I am sorry. Nando yene poko. Nando ya hindi. I am sorry. Oshitivario last. Oluhondelo. Ovano pa ife katuna vali ikwato muyuni wonale ni takala tuli otakala nga tujiba onu veni ikwato now. Muyuni wonena kashina na kele ficho tuli ashike mwinima ya ndubakana even our relationship oda ndubakana iki ovano tuli eke nde na sevene oti inyengwa ndoti inyanyara katushi kushana ti kwafenga adipi onu onkele fiti oho difa oho ikongereka oho imbi oho ni winima ihe ndere uya di akuruka di uya di akadona. When your desires, when tells you today I just want to sleep, I want to fornicate with person A, that's what you do fast enough to satisfy your desires. One thing I want to tell you is that we all have control over our desires. I am not going to satisfy you. Indeed, one thing that we need to understand is everything that is within us is under our subjection, is under our authority, is under our rule, is under our govern, and you can govern your desires. You can tell your desires, I'm not going to give you what you want today. So, brothers and sisters, one thing that I want to tell you tonight is that even that fornication and lust, you are able to. Kucha na shikare shekwa addicting on dishishina na kucha inimopika hashiku tempting on genge we shilola. Vovan vamoha chanwa ngenga no one gonke fichanwa you cannot be tempted. And then the molongero shidi. Na nunga amba over nene meitavero hamba montan chanwa o papa ambi sophie olive. They are not immune to temptation. They are also prone to temptation. Mama kero ne feeling go dirimon nuke hashita kukalunga ndero vanu ni wete vedinga ho vafima ne kwa vona vo hadruku yumbata na makatiko vanu washashi vo benele ikwatana before handi plan ne kucha ngadinge ngo kuikwatana washika miti druku ikwatana washika ngeta druku vendo bizo druku ven ngenge kalungo kwa fana ngota druku kwa fa bamave kalungo ta druku ku kwa fa ndete kupengono ngengo wahala ndete ku kwafere uduro kufindana ondonke wahala ngenge no akangite ku kwafere ono kuda komo no mola tete kuchuli mepuko ondiri mepuko ondino vakadono vahapu ondina halumenu vahapu ohandi pangiro koma halwange kashiri ne monjila ke halola kalunga ondapumbo kushenja ndeto fie konini meheko nima kucha aihe ninya ntaninga inya pai for yapit kucha no vanu nakale veshisha vehe society kucha no vo vanu ayo ndiwo unona kaman. What you have to tell yourself is all those things are the past. Ndeto mono kucha pai for hitarele kona kuiwa totambike ke pai fendo kudi totinga dinanga adi heko konda doka dinamo shamongala mwenye yanga opandi developer opeka puta meko self control up ndenge no kuri otava ende tavia mongala mwenye yoe manga no kuri ndenge na tango poto ende to temptingwa. Tell yourself, I'm not going to entertain this person. Otakala unene akirefugio tunoshima alumenu otunoshima shoku acceptinga no ku entertaininga kadona fio pe fimbondo tavia pongalo kutuhana una pofiru firu ndatuba imo makolo ndo na ku ono ku ihumbata nao ndeto chai itishini ngenge ndeto indile ngono kalunga tate kalunga kwa felangi ini hala kuningo shimashi lobrangi sana dininge ngadi ongato ni vali kufe tokolo ngengo mahalota atininga shongani tokola kucha itandishiningi idiscipline kucha oshikwepo ndikalaike no mahalo ndiyeka pandi naiko mahalo inanda kutifanda ndimo hamba wakalunga ndafa Paulus tapo pitacho handi denki otapupiti nano ivike ndisho ndaikirila handi yape otapupicho ivike inaishininga otapupicho ivike inandeshininga otapupicho mafimbo nanga dinga jandi nombele na yalenga iki kucha shino kashipo vali okuja mono votokalo no afima neko mwikwati nao ndenge ngo wakala kuli monjila yo tokala mo upchakati omalodo ninga gamwifi ovanu wetu kwata koshinene ndere ondu diteko oshiwano tuli pamangwa na shota hala kujam ndona ndikolombere kucha na otoduru ku ikontrolo vemweni otoduru ku efapo ka umevenya habe akove vai okuna iko ka umembono shekete apo inyweteka kwende hore no ka umeva lumenu fimboli ondo sheke mulipo kwa ike tampopi bati kombiga ngeno yo makadona nangene hamwali hai talalo intapo picho tala bakaso ini maimenji ovanomba hokala navo taveku ya difa emwengu idino tadiku kufaki ikwatona wandi wali mulu kaume vai ushisheke kuchasha iko longo wa denge yote kudengele aitatukanamo shaiko saralie itatukanamo oto duru kumona kuchano omwedimbuno isimbolo kukanma amandiko ngere fimbolo kukanma andike bible study fimbolo kukanma aikale shoma mbrangi fimbolo kukanwa aikalongo shironga shironga itikalele balini mailinga okujapo ove mweno mai omadila dilo etwaeta kilongo yu otokalo nomwa kushipala shakalunga ndeno koshipala shovanu no madila dilo yota duru kushenjo vanu bahabu efilo ngendala kalunga nalitu kwa teni pende mikwatona ovakele fiti tukale tunoma ihumbata otaduru kuhokwifa ovakele fiti penda tulandula Jesus Christus ovakele fiti tukale twadama tukale tunangeni tavero ndilafa nenge halo ndilafa la Paulus tapo pitati onda hala okuidenga no kuiviula na ndota shipolange ndikale inailia opondi duru kuturamo oma ihumbatonga monjela oto duru kushining ngengo vanu hakali have shiningo obobelie I can't live without even just a sip of a beer ngenga kwenye vili have shiningi bota survive ngali iponjudo ipongushu ngengo ipongushu kama tavi kufimaneke na boba kuchakala one dola dilionongo na nano ndelo vemweno uingushu paleka no vanta vikongushu paleka ushilipo vakale kabodite netura de ushodiringa efilo ngenda kawo nali kukwatenena uduro kwefa kwa ihenjo yafaye kukanya tela ndeto to ikwata nao tokala umwikwati nao onu afimaneko to yanjo shihore washi wakobana onu wafikamena po Kristus ke hema uli oma ihumba ta Kristus ukweti una otai kwendif you walking according to Christ will and according to Christ words shashi you are the child of God and you are born of God and you are walking according to self control and self discipline efilo ngendala tatekalonga na litukadele mashisha thank you nene